So far we have focused on FMUs reacting to time events, and now we are going to see that we can also specify FMUs that react to changes on some of their inputs. So let's duplicate our fourth example and rename it. And then we will go to the classifier behavior diagram of the FMU. So to specify a reaction to a change, we need to specify a so-called change event. And we need to specify a change expression on it. So here we are interested on some changes on X. And as a convention for the change expression, we will use a literal string and use as a syntax the name of the property that we want to observe. So in this case, X. So let's go to the classifier behavior diagram. And what we are going to do is to reuse the existing AcceptEventAction. So we will rename it to something meaningful, change on X, and then we will update the trigger to refer now to our newly created change event. So change on X, and we are done. We just have to remove the extra output pin that has been automatically generated. So let's perform some experiment. We will create a new launch configuration as usual. And select the appropriate FMU. And now, once we have pressed init, we will see that the FMU will react to any change we provide on value X. So let's provide 1. We'll see that the system reacts. We have our relative time event, so we will wait for another 0.5 time units before the execution continues. But we have reacted to the change. So let's perform another experiment. And in this case we will use something greater than 2 so that we can see that the output is updated. We init, perform a few steps, and put 5 as a value for X. And when the date is reached, we'll see that the system reacts and that the output Y is correctly updated to true.